For the past year, I've been making videos teaching you how to edit viral reels. But one thing I've never shown you is how to create those same viral style ads using AI. And more importantly, how to turn them into income. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a high-quality product promo video using AI. And I will not stop there, because even if you don't have a product to promote, I'll also show you a reliable affiliate program you can join, where you can promote existing products and earn commissions from every sale. The type of video we'll be creating today usually requires a large production budget and several days of work. But using AI, we'll be able to create the same style of video in less than 30 minutes. Before we jump into the AI tools we'll be using, there's something very important we need first, and that is a product idea. If you already have a product in mind, you can use the timestamps in the description to jump to the next section. But if you don't have a product, and your goal is to make money by promoting other companies' products, then you need to stick around, because this part is key. The product we choose must be trending, and must have the potential to attract clicks. For example, if we were to promote an iPhone, making a video about an iPhone 11 will not perform as well as promoting the latest iPhone model. That's because the latest version is what people are currently talking about, searching for, and buying. So now you already have a clear idea of what we're targeting. Products that are trending right now. Now, I understand that finding trending products manually can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's exactly where AI comes in. To do this, open a new ChatGPT tab and use the prompt I'm about to show you. What this prompt does is simple. It tells the AI to act as a trend analyst, analyzing current market demand, viral social media trends, seasonal behavior, and buyer interest, and then give us a list of high-demand product niches that are beginner-friendly and suitable for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. In simple terms, we're telling the AI to do the research for us and show us what products people are already buying and paying attention to right now. Once you hit enter, give the AI a moment to generate the results. And if you want the exact prompt, don't worry, I've included it in the description so you can copy and use it yourself. After the AI responds, you'll see a list of trending product niches. From here, you need to choose one niche to focus on. For example, electronics. You don't want to mix electronics with unrelated niches like kitchen appliances. And this is very important, especially when we get to the monetization part later. The niche you choose should remain consistent across all your videos, so your audience clearly understands what your page is about and doesn't get confused. Now you have a niche that fits you. You can choose a trending product or a product that people want to see, or a new product that you're sure that people might see and be triggered to buy. In my case, I will choose kitchen applications and appliances. For the product I will be promoting will be these mini blenders that you might have ever seen somewhere, or maybe you are seeing it for the first time. Now next thing, go to Amazon and search for the product you want to make a video about. Now I will select one product, and then I'm going to download some images for the product since we will be needing it as our reference in the video generation part. Before we even dive into the video generation process, we need to make sure that the product that we have chosen is being searched by people. And in this case, we are going to be using YouTube to see the video that we will be making a product about if they are doing well. After searching the keyword in YouTube, we can see the top video in the product that we want to make is getting 1.2 million views in just 7 months, and other videos having a huge number of views. Next thing, we need to download a video that is well edited, like ads, since we will use to train our AI model to give a high quality, and if possible, which is better than ads in terms of the video, and also the part of the script writing. Now the next thing, which I know many of you have been waiting for, is the video ad generation. So to access the website, I have put the link in the description, and when you click on it, you will land on this page. Now the next thing you want to do is to register for a free account. Now after you register for a free account, you are going to land on the dashboard, as you can see me here. Now in the dashboard, click on Viral Video Agents to follow along. Now while in here, you don't have to do much. Here you can upload a reference image or a reference video. Now here you can upload a video that you can find somewhere from an inspiration ad from your niche and upload it here. When the video uploading has completed, you will be redirected to this page, and after some seconds, when the AI has finished analyzing the video that we sent it to, Analyze It will respond by asking us some questions that are very important. One of the questions also asked in the name of the product. Please make sure that you fill that. And also something else you must fill also is the image section, since this is where you are telling the AI you are making a video for this product. The questions might seem as small and simple questions, but they help the AI to come up with a very detailed video, as you may want it to be. After you have finished scrolling down, you can see the video duration option quality. Make sure to set the highest model as you can, since the better model you use, the better your video will be. But in today's video, I will be using the lowest model, which is the standard version, and then hit confirm. Now the AI will start working on your video, and in a max of 1 minute, your video will be ready.
Testing the new Ninja blender. It's totally wireless. I'm adding milk, protein powder, and frozen fruit. Just press start. It blends instantly. The base detaches, open the lid, and drink on the go. Perfectly smooth. And it has a handle.
Now, if you can see, the video that the AI has generated for us looks top-notch. The reason we have that overlay text is because that is on a free plan. Remember when I told you in the start of the video that I will not be just showing you how to make the video, but I will be showing you also how to make money using the video that you create. To do that is very simple. Choose a reliable affiliate like Amazon or AliExpress, and then sign up for an affiliate plan. In my case, I will be walking you step by step on how you can do it on Amazon. Then later I will show you how to post your videos right in social media. To sign up to an Amazon affiliate, just search for Amazon affiliate. Also, I will leave a link in the description and you will land in this page over here. If you don't have an account, it is very easy to create an account. Just follow the process, which will take you less than a minute, and you have a running account. Now, the next thing I must have to mention is getting the affiliate link that we will be using in order to promote the product. Now, while you are logged into the account that we created, go back to the product that we made a video about, and then you're going to see right at the top that you can grab a link. Now, grab your link and save it somewhere so that then we can create a YouTube channel and then point potential buyers to our link, by which if they buy it, a win for us. Now that your video is ready, you can start posting it on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. However, before you post anything on YouTube, there are a few common mistakes I see many people make. These mistakes often result in very few views, or sometimes no views at all, especially on new channels. That's why how you create your YouTube channel matters just as much as the video itself. So in the next part, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new YouTube channel the right way, step by step, and how to avoid actions that can lead to shadow banning or limited reach from the very beginning. Here is an example of how you should properly set up your channel before uploading your first video. In this step, allow me to give the mic to Mr. Newsman to take you through that session.
Before creating the channel, we first need to decide on a name. To make this simple, go to the Google Doc and copy the first prompt. Paste it into a fresh ChatGPT chat, hit enter, and let ChatGPT do its magic. You'll instantly get a list of potential names. Just pick the one you like best. Next, we need a logo similar to the channel we're cloning. Head to the description and click on the Leonardo AI link. Sign in, then copy the logo prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into the text box. I spent hours testing different models to find the one that produces the best results. And here's what worked best for me. Model, Flux Dev Style, Dynamic Dimensions, Square, since we're creating a logo. Within seconds, you'll have a great looking logo. Before moving on, I'd really appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Our goal this year is 50,000 subscribers, and I'd love for you to be part of this community. Step 2. Optimizing your channel. Now pay close attention, because if you skip these simple steps, your videos might not get pushed out by YouTube, or worse, your channel could get shadow banned. After creating your channel, you need to add a channel description that clearly tells viewers what your channel is about. If you want to make this quick and easy, just ask ChatGPT to generate a description and also a list of keywords for your channel. Here's the trick. Keywords help YouTube figure out who to recommend your videos to. Once you have your description, copy it into your channel settings. Don't forget to replace the placeholder with your channel's actual name. Then paste at least 10 keywords into the keywords section. Next, verify your phone number. It might seem small, but it's a very important step. It tells YouTube you're a real person, not a bot. Disclaimer: keep in mind, none of these steps guarantee instant success. What they do is put you in the right position to be discovered. Success on YouTube still takes hard work, consistency, and creativity.